Hey guys, today we're going to be looking over the Lego room, I suppose. So we're going to give you a tour of all the different sections of it. Basically my desk where we do the videos, the storage system, and the sorting system. So I'm going to start with the desk. And before I talk about the desk, back here, if you hear a noise in the back, it sounds a bit like a waterfall. You got the fish tank over here. So yeah, if you got any waterfall noises, that's what it's coming from the filters. So first over here we have my desk, and this is typically where we film the the model overviews. And this base is a base me and my brother built, and it's it's still a work in progress. There's still some stuff that needs to be fixed here and there. We'll have a video tour of the base coming out in the future. Basically, you can see we have the little living room, and we got a car workshop. Got some little offices and stuff up here. We got the control center. Some different things, and there we got the cargo lift from the previous video. So I'll link to that in the description if you'd like to see how that works. It's Lego pneumatic, so looks pretty cool. Move over here, we got the tripod, we got the toolbox, we got the camera bag, we got a calendar up here, and I won't tell you what that is, but some cool cars in this calendar, such as that thing, this thing, yeah, some cool stuff there. Oh, also I should point out if the lighting is really weird, it's because here in California, there's some fires going on, and the sky is full of smoke. Anyway, moving on, we got the Technic 911 RSR. We got the Technic Mobile Crane Mark II. Under here, we have some fish books, or some outdoor books, some fishing books. We have some model trains, some Lego stuff, some car magazines. Got the GoPro down there, which I'm using to film this right now. We got the Dremel and a fishing tackle box, and I use that fishing tackle box for the Lego Mindstorms EV3. Right now it's built into something, and we'll get to that in a minute. We got the binoculars down there, which, yeah, none of this really goes to the Lego stuff, but it's here anyway. We got the minifigures in here, which we store in these tackle boxes, and we'll do a video on in-depth as to how we sort these, but yeah, they're in there right now. And then we have the main shelf, and obviously all three of these shelves here are from IKEA. They're the Kallax shelves. I'll put a link in the description if you would like to take a look at these, because they're quite nice shelves for Lego. I would recommend that you do get some shelf dividers, which I'm going to get in the future, and that way you can stack these up, and yeah, because there's a lot of space in there. On top we have all our models lined up, quite a few nice ones. This collection is comprised of my models, my brother's models, and my sister's models, so, or sets anyway, so it's quite a few different sets here, so we'll just go over them. Got the Saturn V up there, pretty awesome. The Treehouse. I got a Brickmania American flag up there. It looks pretty good. Got a whole bunch of cars here. Speed Champions, mostly 8 stud wide. Got some 6 stud wide ones there. Got some other 6 stud wide ones here that are waiting to be repaired. We got a whole bunch of other. We have the whole entire original first wave of Speed Champion sets that waiting to be rebuilt. So those will be coming up soon, or hopefully soon. We got the F8 Tributo Speedster, which is my brother's modification. Maybe we'll do a video on that in the future. We have the Audi Quattro, got a review on that. Got the Mercedes 6x6, also got a video on that if you'd like to go see it. Put links to all these models' videos, because basically they all have videos. We'll put that in, all links in the description if you'd like to go see it. We got Mercedes 6x6, we got the trophy truck, the Hurricane, the KMP Mox SVJ, the Urus, the C25R GT3, the Dodge Demon, the Lamborghini Gallardo, and this is new, and we'll have a video on it in the future, very soon. We have the Nissan GTR Formula Drift, the FX6K, the Senna, and the Mini. Back there we got the modified Safari truck, or Land Rover Defender, as we like to call it around here, because it looks just like a Defender. We got the Mercedes GT3 car on a trailer. Looks pretty nice. And it moved down. I remember over here we got the Minecraft cave. Looks pretty awesome. Been sitting there for quite a while. The up here we got an F1 car. This is a very nice B model of the Creator Expert Mini Cooper. And I'll put a link to this is not my instructions or my B model, but I'll go link to the instructions in the description if you'd like to go build this, because it's quite a nice model. Over here we have the combat lineup of vehicles. There's still going to be more, but this is it so far. We got 2 of the combat assault trucks. We got the combat cargo hauler, and we got the tactical ultralight vehicle. And there are videos on all these. Put links in the description, like I said. We got the Arctic sets here. And once we get the shelf divider, we'll probably put it right here and put them on top of each other. That'd look pretty good. We got the chest set over here. We got the Mindstorms tank, which can hold the GoPro in here with the sensor removed, and it can be controlled with the with a laptop. So we'll have to do a video on that in the future so you can see how it works. We got the Land Bounty and the Ninjago Buggy. Got the Ninjago Dragon. I forget his name. He has a name. I forget what it is in the set. We got the Hidden Side Bus and the Friends camper van, I suppose. We have some Overwatch sets, very small sets. We have the Friends house, I guess it is, or repurposed fire station. I'm not entirely sure what the name is. We have Ninjago helicopter from the Dragon set. We got this truck, which is built to experiment with how wide a truck you need to haul the new speed champions around. As you can see, it's very wide. I think that's a 12 stud wide cargo bed. And here we got some models that don't really fit in. We got a Nexo Knights, or modified Nexo Knight set. We got a garbage truck and a fire truck. They all kind of don't really fit in. Once we sort out the rest of the collection, and we're gonna have like 14 fire trucks or something. So yeah, stay tuned for that because that's all in these bins right here. And we got the Thrustmaster Sim Racing steering wheel, which isn't associated with the Lego, but it's here on the shelf anyway because it basically fits perfectly in there. We got the sorting system, and as you can see, quite a large collection. Probably could use a couple more bins while we're at it because there's quite a bit of Lego in here. In fact, there's a whole bin behind me of unsorted Lego, and basically most of these bins are full of unsorted Lego too. These ones are mostly sorted Lego, as well as these ones up on top. This very large storage I don't know, bin setup drawers, and it stores quite a few of our parts in there. But we got Sharpie written on the front so you can tell what's inside it. Not very not the best writing ever, but it allows you to access it fast. You got the minifigures in here. The I don't know, nothing in particular, just sorted parts in order. Not in any particular order actually, just sorted parts. Got more here. Got a whole bunch of animals in here. Nice collection of dinosaurs and such. We got some speed champions, like I pointed out, waiting to be rebuilt. We got this very nice mini tackle box. It's pretty good. Up on top, we got some parts in this bag, which are not really around for any, which are for the C25R to unfold it. And I linked to that in the description. We got this bag of stickers, a lot of stickers in there. But in here, just to give you an idea, we got Technics. We don't have a lot of Technics, we just put it all in one bin. We got the bricks, more bricks. Okay, there's some minifigures in here that need to be sorted out. We got some more bricks, some windows, some tiles, or just plates to give you an idea. Tiles, wheel holders, snot plates, curved slopes. I think we got tires in there. We got a lot of trucks that need to be rebuilt. So yeah, that's gonna be, we're gonna do a separate video on this in detail. We went pretty in detail right there. Basically, once we get it sorted a bit more, we'll go into even more detail. So that's it for today's video. Like I said, basically everything here is gonna either has a video already or is going to have a video in the future. So we'll put all the links that already exist in the description, and you can subscribe to get notified of when these when the future videos come out, like the base, the Gallardo, and the sorting system, and the minifigure sorting system while we're at it. Also, I should point out this one shelf, 3 shelves, that one, I still need stuff to go in there. So once we get some stuff sorted, I guess it'll go in there. So yeah, like I said, subscribe to see more videos, give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.